No,
baby, I've been thinking about you lately. I was wondering, maybe, could come over and clear the night,
what is? Me bleaching, me green skin, me clean skin, make me get enough gal. Me know the bag of bleaching down.
I want me do your gal. I want me do your. I want me do your gal. Yeah, when me want to. Make you want to for me back. Make you want to for me back. Hey, make you want to for me back. Make you want to for me back. Make you want to for me back. Make you want to. I shall see. I want me do your. I want me.
And this is the part where I usually say, you know, big things come in small packages, and I get 7 a.m. 7 to 10, 2 times a week. In the DOT, they hold that down, they have the explosion too. And we welcome this month on the ones and twos, DJ Chris Love. You know a round of applause. We excuse DJ Redex this month, celebrating his birthday this way with a little bit of relaxation. But her show, I will tell you all about more birthdays. Kevin, I'm your teeth, you like, you know. They say, oh, me look. They feel good and say, yeah, you look good. The six pack? No, sir, King Cat this man. This is a 2-liter bottle. No, she 2-liter bottle. Trust me, you get enough. So, let us start the show. As we do, we always have someone who is very, very important within our industry of music that opens the show. The artist who is opening the show today, she has a history in our reggae scene that many cannot compare to. She's paved a path for a lot of culture-conscious female artists who have come after her. So I'd like you to put your hands together and welcome Miss Tasha T.
Big up Stages Canada. Kerry Mullins, happy birthday from Manic Francis. We out here. Some moving Space Age Entertainment. Looking for Stay With Me. New single. Yeah, it's gonna be on the YouTube, Instagram. I'm gonna release it probably 2 weeks from now from this HD camera my boy's recording from. So God bless, keep the faith. Look a pretty artist, man. Look one pretty artist.
Yo, what are you on me?
Y'all never on me.
Alright, you see? We got to
Shout out to no artist. Shout out to her, man. No artist, no person. Management team is really dope to the whole squad, man. I fuck with y'all.
Hey.
Michelle
Exactly.
you know what I'm saying?
Exactly, G, you know?
She can sing very well every time Chantel.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? 2016, now complain.
Hey.
2017,
out to the guy who made this all possible. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bang, right there. Hey, you know, so you deserve to be on that cam, you know?
I'm just trying to keep it together, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
It's in
yeah.
the building again.
Yes,
Good
sir.
to see you guys again.
Hey,
One show.
That's right.
exactly. Some legendary stuff right here.
Concert, yeah. That's right. It's Michelle in the building again. T-Dot on the spot, right here inside the Vibe Room. Thank you for coming to the Vibe Room. And have a blessed performance. I know you will. All right, I love to see you again. All right. Can we get a picture?
I suck at it.
No.
I get so many pictures.
Oh, it's only me. It's only me.
It's happy birthday to you. We wish you live to see many more. And we know your life will always flow. From the depth of your heart, we know you shall live. Oh, carry this
Michelle Chantel through her management team, J-Bond. Where's J-Bond? J-Bond, thank you very much. You've been here supporting us, bro. From Aeon Clark, thank you for being here. Thanks. So without further ado, let me hear you guys start applauding her. Share your energy with her. Michelle Chantel.
You guys want? You guys can? Sing along. You guys ready?
Let's get crazy. Let's get crazy. Let's get crazy.
Please make some noise because we work hard.